Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Shloka 25. Suta Uvacha Tasya Vajas Samakarnya Karunyam Narado Gadaka Tayo Bodhana Marebhe Karagrena Vimardayan. Suta Uvacha. Suta Muni said, Tasya Vacha Samakarnya. Tasya means Bhakti Devi's vajas, words, speech. Samakarnya. Karnam means the ears. Samakarnya means hearing through the ears. Tasya vajas samakarnya. Hearing the Bhakti Devi's speech. Karunyam narado gadaka. Karunyam, compassion. Narado, Narada Muni. Gadaka, moved. Karunyam narado gadaka. Narada Muni was moved with compassion. Tasya vajasamakarnya karunyam narado gadaka. Hearing the speech of Bhakti Devi, Narada Muni was moved with compassion. Tayor bodhana marebhe. Tayor means starting to, began. Bodhanam means consciousness. Arebhe, starting to get rise from the consciousness. The two sons of Bhakti Devi, Jnanam and Vairagyam, who was in the unconscious state. So the Narada Muni is starting to get back their consciousness. Tayor Bodhana Marebe. Narada Muni began to rouse the two sons of Bhakti Devi to consciousness. Karagrena Vimardayan. Karam, Agrena. Kara means the hands. That means the fingers. Agrena means the tip of the fingers, the end of the fingers. Vimardayan, massaging. Karagrena Vimardayan means massaging the two sons with the tip of the Narada Muni's fingers. Tayor Bodhana Marebe Karagrena Vimardayan, massaging the two sons, the Jnanam and Vairagyam, with the tip of Narada Muni's fingers. Narada Muni began to awake the two sons from the unconsciousness to the state of consciousness. Tasya vaja samakarnya karunyam narado gadaka tayor bodhana marebe karagrena vimardayan. Hearing the Bhakti Devi's words, Narada Muni was moved with compassion and massaging the two sons with the tip of his fingers. He began to awake them to the state of consciousness. Suta uvaja tasya vaja samakarnya Karunyam narado gadaka tayor bodhana marebhe karagrena vimardayan. Thank you.